Well, good day. Just going through this store. It's nearly 8 metres wide, and it's run by a winch. It's the ZeSuper off eBay. I've had to do some modifications that are shorten the door because I was hitting the rafters up the top with the top of the door. It just misses them now. But yeah, anyway, I let it down. Here. Actually let him break the cable. And these are just the head stems off push bikes, and they're welded to a plate. And then in here we've got like hanging door roller bearings, and that all pivots so it goes around the radius, and also allows a bit of movement in the actual track so it doesn't jam up. And so I don't have to have it dead square with everything, but it is. It's very close to it, as you can see. Same gap top and bottom. And then I'll have to move these points down because they're not on the pivot point. They're slightly too high. And they're just joined by cables. You adjust the tension on the cable at these points. Now you adjust them up and down for tension on your cable. And then there's a main cable that goes from the winch right across the top and back down to this side. Then those other two join up to that main cable on just on the other side of the snatch box. If you can see that up there. One there. I did snap a cable when I was setting this up. It jammed and just put too much tension on the winch. Hopefully it'll be able to handle being clad. And as you can see, there's a bicycle head stem down there, and the bearings up in there, the bearings there. Bit of grease to let them slip and slide. You know what I'm saying? Greasy wheel, the squeaky wheel gets the grease. I missed out because I was squeaking. I don't think I'm getting any grease. Alright, we'll set it up to go up. Yeah, we're going up. The battery's pretty flat, so a little quicker one of those two batteries will cut it. The quicker it comes in. That's up. And that's about it for now. So I'll catch us on the next one, eh? Have a good one.